It is really crazy, and I don't believe it myself, but I've just made $27,300 of profit in 2 days. We can say in one day, under 24 hours, at the age of 21. And I will show you right now how exactly I've done it. So hopefully you can have sometimes in the future results like this as well. But it all was because of 15,000 sell of one of my Faceless channels. I can show you the channel. As you can see, it was generating about $30,000. I will tell you how you can start one as well. I basically started with no experience, nothing, and 12K. I've made another sale for one-on-one mentorship with me, and $300 I've made from a digital product that we had from a course. So if we add all that together, it's basically $27,300, and that is really ridiculous considering that my goal before was to make $100 a day, and yeah, now I'm making more money than I've ever made in my life, which is really cool. But if you don't believe me, let me show you the payment processor. In the last 24 hours, May 1st to May 2nd, basically, we collected $12,000, and the rest $13,000 is going to come tomorrow with a wire. I can show you the proofs if you want to as well. But all I did basically to do this is I just followed this simple principle that I'm going to share with you right now, and I will share you the simple steps that if you follow, I can't guarantee that you will get the same results, but hopefully you can make lots of money online as well. So basically, what I have done to make all of this money is step number one, I've grown my audience, and I will show you how you can do it with showing your face or without showing your face. So I basically grow my audience, and number two is you just monetize, right? So this might sound very simple. This might sound that you don't believe me, but this is exactly, guys, how I've just made all of this money. So first of all, I built an audience online, and second of all, I just monetized it. So let me explain to you how you can do it too. And I promise if you watch this video to the end, you will learn how you can just copy this strategy and hopefully make money as well. So the first thing that I've done actually is I've started growing my Faceless YouTube channels. So it's a business model where you just post videos without showing yourself, and if you are able to get views, if you know the right strategies, right, you get paid from the ads shown on your videos. That's, for example, this channel made $30,000. I also have this channel that made me $127,000 a couple of years ago in my first year of starting, right? And basically, that's the first way that I started. Now I also have this personal brand channel that I'm just growing. It has already 2,000 subscribers. We don't get crazy views, 1,700, 1.6K, etc., but we are able to make lots of money because of the second step that I will share you, which is monetize. I've also been able to grow with these strategies my Instagram account to over 105,000 followers in under a year. You can go and check it out. And also my Twitter right now is absolutely blowing up. If I reload the page, you can see the notifications because I'm posting daily available content here, or we can say X, right? Right now it's not Twitter, it's X, and it's blowing up and it's making me money as well. So I will share with you exactly basically what I'm doing. Number one, as I said, I've grown my audience, and I'm growing it right now on this channel. As you can see, it's huge. It's not huge, but it allows me to make a bunch of money. And number two is monetizing. So how do you monetize? It's very simple. Once you get attention online, right? Once you start posting content, what do you have? You have attention of people. And when you have attention of people, you can sell them something. So if you have a Faceless channel, YouTube shows ads on your videos, so you basically sell ads, right? YouTube does it for you, and that's how you make money. Or when you have attention, you can sell digital products, one-on-one mentorships, consulting, coaching, licensing. You can basically help other people or do a service for them, right? Help other person to solve their problem. For example, I can help people to start their online businesses. I help people to grow their YouTube channels because that's what I've done. I help people to grow their personal brand on Instagram, etc., basically monetize and grow their online business. So that's what I've done, and that's what I can help others to do. So I'm solving their problems, and that's why I'm also getting paid, right? So the $12K and $300 was made exactly from this, and $15K was from a sale of the channel. So total is $27,300. So that's the second step, and I want to share with you how exactly you can just copy me and do the same, because you can watch this, you probably watch other entrepreneur videos, this video got recommended to you and you clicked, and then now you worry, okay, who is this guy, right? Is this possible or not? And I can tell you that yes, it is possible, and I will share with you what are the couple of things that you can take to hopefully somewhere in the future to get to this point. But the first thing I want to tell you is that if you go right now to my Instagram and you scroll in the beginning, you will see where I started. You will see my first photos, my first videos where I wasn't ready and I was getting started, and you will see like basically my journey, and that's really inspiring because that will prove you that I haven't started from any position that gave me any benefits, but I just started like everyone else, just having an internet connection and computer, and most importantly, just a strong desire to put in the work and succeed. And in the past couple of years, I was able to achieve all of these results. So the thing that I want to share with you is how you can copy me. right? Because we have discussed this. Oh, I've made all this money, cool. You talked about some YouTube channel, about some sales, whatever, right? But how can we do that? So the number one advice that I have for you and how I've been able to grow is the following. For years and years, I was watching content on YouTube, right? And this is really important. So I want you to really, really pay attention to this and watch this because it's going to be beneficial. I was watching a lot of content on YouTube. It was 3-4 years ago when I was right now at 21. Back then I was like 17, 18. And I was watching all of these videos on YouTube on how to make money online, right? But I thought that, okay, all of these people that are teaching me how to make money online are making money online from uploading videos. So basically, uploading videos and posting content is probably the best strategy because that's how they are making their money, right? So I thought, okay, cool, let me try that. So because I was watching YouTube videos and that was the platform that I was using the most, I started posting faceless videos on my faceless channels, which are about football, about animations, about other stuff. There's so many channels that you can start without showing your face, especially in today's age with AI. And I started doing that, right? And it wasn't easy. Sometimes I was working literally 10, 12, 16 hours a day, right? My parents can confirm that. And I quit university. I went all in. It wasn't easy. I went through hardships, challenges, and stuff. But in the first year, I was able to make over $127,000 with one of my channels. And the way I've done it, the way I went from making just $4 a month, yes, just $4 a month by making someone post online, going from that direction to making hundreds of thousands of dollars online at the age of 21, all I've done is I just picked the platform that I'm already using the most, right? That I'm watching, that I'm consuming the most content on, and I just simply started doing what? I started creating it, right? And that's the ultimate secret. If you want to make money online, if you want to get the results that you see all of these people are getting, you want to make your first 10K a month, 20K a month, 100K a month, whatever it is, you just need to start creating. And where you start on the platform that you consume the most information on. So I consumed the most information on YouTube, so I started posting on YouTube. Then I started consuming information on Instagram. I started following all of these people that are making money online. And then I thought, oh, okay, cool. I'm following these people, so I consume the content. I kind of see how it works. Let me start my Instagram as well. And what happened? I've started posting on Instagram because I already understood how it works, how the creators I'm following, what are they doing, what are they posting, how they are making money. And because I was following them, I just knew it. I saw what they are doing. And the beautiful part about social media is that you see what everyone else is doing. You see what I'm doing. You see what I'm doing on Twitter. You see what I'm doing on this YouTube channel. You see what I'm doing on Instagram. So literally you can just open it up and copy it. And by copy, I don't mean you just download my stuff and upload to your channel. You won't make money that way, right? But you just copy the principles, like what these people that are making money, what they are doing, what are they saying, what are they using, right? So for me, for example, you can see that I'm posting content, growing my audience, and selling them something, and that's how I'm making money, right? From ad revenue, from selling channels, from partnerships, from equity, from strategic advice and consulting, all of these things, right? But basically, at the core of it, if we simplify, it's creating content and then monetizing it. So my ultimate advice on how you can copy me: start posting content on a platform that you are using the most right now. If you are all the time on Twitter, start posting content on Twitter because you already are following people there. You know how it works. You know what to talk about approximately, right? You just need to start. If it's YouTube, start on YouTube. You don't want to show your face, you don't have to. You want to show your face, you can do that, right? Same for any other platforms. You want to do Facebook, you want to do TikTok, you want to do Instagram, whatever it is, you can start posting on that platform. And if you stay consistent on that platform and you try to make your content a little bit better each time, what's going to happen is you are going to make money, right? It's unavoidable. So the biggest mistake that people make is they start creating content and they overcomplicate it. They think, oh, there's some secret, there's some strategy. No, you just need to, number one, pick a platform that you're already using. Number two, start posting content consistently. And I promise you, day by day, if you just put one step in front of the other, you will fail, you will get better. And in 1 year, in 2 years, in 3 years, or sooner, it would be inevitable that you won't succeed unless you quit. So the ultimate secret is the following. How I've made all of this money is I've just stopped consuming all of that content that I was watching on YouTube and I started creating. So please, if you are watching this video, if you want to have the success that I've got, or other thousands of people that you see are getting online, know that it's possible, and if you don't have to make like tens of thousands of dollars in a day or whatever, or in a month. You can just start by making your first $1 online, $100 online, $1,000, $10,000, and step by step with time you will get there. And don't let other people tell you that this is easy or it's a get-rich-quick scheme. No, it takes work. You need to be able to go through challenges. Sometimes you will feel like giving up. Sometimes you make all of this money, right? But then you need to spend it on something, and then all of the money is gone, and then the next day you don't make money. So it's a business. Business is always risky business is always it always takes work, but in my opinion, if you just stay consistent with that, with posting content over the years, after that, like if we look at the big picture, you would have made so much money and it can completely change your life. At least it did for me. So I hope this video was well helpful for you. And by the way, if you want to get access absolutely for free to a lot of trainings from me, for me to answer your questions, to me help you to make money online, we have a completely free community where we are not selling you anything there. You can check it out in the top link in the description, and I will see you there. That's it. Hope you found it valuable. And yeah, bye.